Obviously, a lot of people have been asking you, Cape Town getaway. Okay, girl, we see you. Breaking the internet.
Right, please.
Obviously, people are gonna ask, because like, hey man, I also get
Okay,
DMs. Like
why are you
anyone.
asking? Why are
I'm
you asking?
I'm giving you a scenario base. Like I'm going on the timeline with the love tour before that, and then now you're here now. But before you were here, when like girl, you're on your own vacation. Yee.
I wasn't on
Yeah.
vacation.
Yeah. There's like one thing to like say stay secretive, and then after that is like social media pops and you're like, ish, you see what happened was yeah, makatete guys. We've been waiting, Spelel.
You-
Oh,
Brian, don't
you
do
know it's
that.
it's funny, like before this conversation, like you were chatting, you were chatty. Now we're hitting the real. Now we're not gonna go and talk about days, talk about what are your
No, but
expectations.
we're talking about
This
other
is
topics.
real.
We're not talking about we're not talking about that. We're talking about other